Hey YouTube, I have decided to go ahead and film my replacement of the door lock actuator for a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. I've seen a lot of videos for the MK6 Golf, but the Jetta has a slightly bigger door panel, so there's one slight difference, which is right here with this bar. It is in the way to get the unit out of the door. So right here, you're gonna have a 10 mil. We're gonna go ahead and take that out. Now, I actually already did this, but in my haste to finish, I mistakenly forgot to put one cable into the new unit, so I have to do that now. So I figured I'd just show how to get it out, because there's no clear video on YouTube yet on how to do this specifically for a Jetta. Taking the door panel apart, there's lots of videos. So now that we have this out, we're gonna move it to the side like that. You can reach in and grab your unit and kind of finesse it out again. Now really, I just need the bottom of the unit, but we're gonna pull it all the way out. And see, it's a bit of a struggle, and I apologize, my arms are probably in the way, but I'll get it. In the butt. There we go. There you go. And then it's attached like this. Now to get it out, you pop this cover off, you twist out this piece here. But the piece I have to put back is the actual latch that runs through the door. And for that, you just twist it like that, pull it up. If it'll come now. Yeah, just pulls up like that. And then pull the peg out of the bottom. There, another one. Just work it out of the unit. There's the old one. And start with the peg on this guy. Sorry, it's from the bottom. Pretty sure. And then you just latch it on like that. And that's it. Simple as that. Back in place. All right, and then make sure you have it in the right orientation and just press it back in. And that's it. And now what we're going to do is go ahead, prop it up into place so that the foam piece is here. We're going to put back the two T30s here and here to hold it in place. Replace our lock mechanism, screw that in, then fully tighten this, and then we'll plug everything back in and put the door back together. Don't forget to slide this guy back into place and secure the 10 mil, but that's the difference on the MK6 Jetta.